Hi everyone. Thanks for coming in. This is going to be the gaming and hackathon week, and we have got a special guest with us today. It's Karuna Tata, and she's very famous for breaking her grandma. And I'm sorry, Karuna, I keep pulling your leg. And we have Eddie Jody in the live stream. Eddie in the chat. We have Siddharth and all the other community members as well. Okay, so today what we are going to do is I'll let Karuna talk. She's the awesome narrator. Karuna, why don't you introduce about yourself and also tell what we are going to do today?
So, hey everyone, my name is Karuna, and today we are going to build a BattleSnake and learn more about BattleSnake and how it's built, and let's fight in the end. And we'll pick out some winners for the giveaway. So, stay tuned.
Awesome. So tell me about BattleSnake, Karuna. I have like literally no clue. I actually looked through all the tutorials yesterday, but still, yeah. So there are a lot of people here who have no clue about what BattleSnake is and how to play it, what exactly it is. Actually, Eddie gave a great explanation on his YouTube channel as well. So a huge shout out to Eddie. Hey, before that, thank you BattleSnake for sponsoring a couple of gift coupons which can be won today in the giveaway. So folks, stay attentive. And if you have not registered, go ahead and register it so that we will contact you once you are won. Okay, so Karuna, tell me about this BattleSnake thing. What exactly it is? I'm not a gamer. I'm actually a web developer. How is it gonna help me out? Like I know only JavaScript. I hate Python. I'm sorry, Karuna, but still, it's okay. I still say that yeah, Python is number one in the game of data science and other things. So I don't deny that, but at the same time, it's not getting into my head. So I'm going to stick with JavaScript. So is there anything for me? What exactly is BattleSnake? And give a small quick intro, and then let's get on to battling.
So, BattleSnake is basically a gaming platform where you code and learn. Plus, it is a really fun way to test your skills while you have fun, while you play games and you put code into it. So, BattleSnake supports Java, Python, Go, JavaScript, and there are documents. They have documentation like a starter for BattleSnake. Like they have in 4 languages the starter ones. You can view the docs and you can add it in your board when you start. And this is done mostly in Replit. So if you do coding in GitHub also, you can connect it to Replit and then host it there. If you go to Replit, you can see that there's an option where you can keep it on for always. Okay.
Did I say that people who are also along with the so much dollars of gift card giveaways, we are also going to give away some of the Replit premium stuff too. So let's look into it. Go on.
Oh, that's nice. So yeah, where was I? Yeah, Replit. So when you host it in Replit, there's an option when you go to the REPL on your above name. You can see that option that it can be put in always on, so that whenever you play BattleSnake, you don't have to always go and start it again and again. It can be always on, so that's a plus point. And you can also put an option so that anyone can play with your snake. Like you create and put it in public, and anyone can choose your snake and put it in their boards and play with it.
That's awesome. So, okay, I'm just trying to share this one, and okay, cool. So, tell me what exactly are we gonna do today? Like, how are we going to make this work today?
So I'll be creating one with Python, and you can use the JavaScript starter ones, and I'll guide you how to do it. Like there are few parameters which you can use, like the snake shouldn't hit the walls, the snake should eat the food, snake shouldn't hit other snakes, and you can add all those when you first create a basic snake, which is
Awesome.
from the starter plans.
Shall we go into the coding directly right now, or playing directly right now, or gaming coding?
As you wish.
Okay, let's do it. Everyone is waiting for the demo. Go on. Karuna, are you trying to share the screen? Okay, Karuna is very busy in replying to comments, I guess. Yeah.
No, I was asking, shall I share it?
Yeah, go ahead. I was waiting for you.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, just a second.
Cool.
And here we are on the BattleSnake website.
Is everyone
So-
able to see the screen? Can you please confirm? Okay, there's a weird thing coming around your screen, but anyway, okay. I guess that's
Mine?
typical of Ubuntu. Okay, so keep
Oh
going.
yeah, that's Firefox.
Okay.
So this is a BattleSnake website, so we can go directly to docs first, and let's see how it's done. Wait. So view docs. See, you have the quick start guide here and startup
Okay.
projects.
Eddie, are you going to support me or Karuna? Why are you doing this? Am I fired again?
So we have startup projects in Python, Go, JavaScript, Java, and Ruby. Okay. So you can go with JavaScript as you said, and I'll click it. So here we are on GitHub. So it's a BattleSnake, and you can see the README here. You can run your BattleSnake on Replit. So we'll click the link here and let's go to Replit. Alright, so it's cloning the repo.
It's just here, bro. Tomorrow I'm gonna use it. All right, for sure, 100%. Eddie. Okay, Replit seems to be very slow.
Yeah, maybe.
So this is the first time, like coding and gaming has been like merged together, and BattleSnake is one of the unique projects out there, which is, can we say it is open source as well? No, right? So technically you
There
can
are open source snakes too.
okay. Technically you can actually recreate the BattleSnake platform, but yeah, since BattleSnake is giving us some gifts, I don't want to like become a competing person to them, but still. So what happens here is BattleSnake is the game kind of a thing, right? It's the game. Okay, like for example, if you open like a game kind of a gaming application, you will be the player, right? But let's consider this game. Everyone knows Mario game, or everyone knows your phone's snake game, right? The Nokia phone snake game. So in that, the Nokia phone snake game is the BattleSnake, and you who is going to move the snake will be the code that you will be writing to the web server. So you are exactly automating your part. We don't need any more gamers. We just need a game coder, and then you can implement a lot of game coders, like implement a lot of game servers that play the game behalf of you. So that's exactly the concept of BattleSnake. And Yeah, snake games are lit, and it's awesome.
Okay.
No, no,
So
no.
Replit has loaded. What happened?
Awesome. We have got Replit loaded. Woohoo.
Okay. So when you run it, you can see it's running, and you'll get the screen, and here's it. Okay. So when you run it, and you can see author, color, head, and tail. Let's go to index.js first
Okay.
and see what does that mean. Okay, so we have author. Author is the one who's the owner of the snake. You can put your Replit account's name here. So I'll put mine, and color you can put anything like where you can customize it. Head it's default and tail is default. There are many styles in BattleSnake. So what you call tail and head BattleSnake styles. There are many. So you can just make it. I'll put it here as header's tongue.
Okay, just to make sure I don't lose my mic, I'm gonna try replacing my mic with the one that is awesome. Okay, so you continue, carry on. I just need to find where exactly I kept it. Yeah, it's here.
And I'll keep tail as default. And now we can take this, copy it, the link, and let's go to BattleSnake website again. Move back.
Yep.
And let's go to our account and then BattleSnakes. So I have 3 BattleSnakes already, and we are creating a new one from the scratch. So I'll touch create BattleSnake here. You can put some name. As it's Praveen Snake, I'll put some name you can, like I'll put Praveen here. And the URL you copied, you have to paste it here.
I can't hear you.
Put some description if you want, and you can add some tags. And if it's an open source project, you can add that too. And don't forget to click on allow anyone to add this BattleSnake. If you don't click on this, it will be private and no one could add your snake to the bean. And let's save it.
That's exactly what we want, right?
Okay.
Okay. I guess whatever I'm talking, you're not able to hear. Are you able to hear me?
Me?
Hey, hi. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay, cool. So I just changed my microphone to Eddie microphone for Eddie and for me. Right. Sorry. Okay, cool.
Okay. So now a snake is created, and let's try and play a game just for a demo. Let's add a snake. Here's a snake, and let's add it. And we can choose a board size from there are small to medium and large, and there are custom ones too if you want. Let's choose small for now and start the game. Okay, here's a snake and the board. Now let's run it. Oops, it collided with itself. So we need to avoid happening this thing, like colliding with the walls, colliding with other snakes if you have more than 2 snakes there. So this is what should go into the code, and this is where our snakes become better, and we can test the coding skills.
Okay. Makes sense.
So shall I stop sharing?
Uh, yep. 1 second. Yep, you can.
Okay.
Cool. So that's a simple way of like explaining how BattleSnake works. So shall we play something real? Okay. What is the criteria for the giveaway right now? So should we ask everyone to like bring their own BattleSnakes and do a demo or something like that on a next live stream or something that way?
We can have a fight right now if your snake is ready. Like if you would like to code something into it.
Okay. Is there anyone who wants to like battle with Karuna right now? Thanks, Eddie. I couldn't find anyone who's whoever is ready. Yeah. So tell me one creative way that you want to do it. Hey Shubham. Okay, so I'm just gonna try this out on my side. So Karuna, shall we have a fight then? So I'm planning to do it on my replet right now.
Yeah, sure. Like you need to code your snake first.
Okay,
Because
I,
if you
I
don't,
need
it
to
will
I
keep
need to
colliding with itself.
Okay, for everyone, now I'm gonna start coding the snake myself, along with help of Karuna, obviously using JavaScript. So for people who are okay with JavaScript, please follow with me, and let's try to do something. Let me log into Replit and start the coding thing. Oops, where is the login screen? Damn. Okay, I haven't shared my screen yet, I guess. Okay, so is everyone able to see my screen? Hey Nivesh. Okay, so this is my first time. I'm also gonna build a new snake of my own. So I have no clue how this whole thing works. And yes, this is my first time as well. So let's try to do something awesome. And right, so this is my replit already here. And what am I supposed to do? So I just go to the JavaScript starter rack, right? So I go to BattleSnake starter JavaScript, and so we have like snake starter node. It's actually a simple express.js web application that is being written in node, and all we need is like a BattleSnake account and a replit account. For those people who have not got a BattleSnake account, it is easier to get here. So just go to play.battlesnake.com, and then you just need to create an account. So once you go here, let me use BattleSnake. Oops, this is email, right? Praveen.science. So username is Praveen. I'm not sure whether this works, but let's see. Okay, let's create an account. I believe there should be other Praveen already. Wow, this is awesome. So I got my own name. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm here. Right. You can use any cloud provider you want. If you're just starting, we will suggest use Replit. Use Replit. Okay, Replit is also here, like literally here. And so the first thing is I want to go with JavaScript, and I believe they go to the same thing. Okay, great. So this automatically runs me on the master branch, and bam, there you go. It actually sets up for me everything, and draw directly to collaborate. Wow, that's cool. No, wait, I don't want to draw it. Okay, fine. I'll just close this one. So Replit is actually a collaborative editor. And wait, is this a free meeting? This is interesting. I guess we need to close this meeting very soon, because I did not expect that this will run out of time. But anyway, let me go ahead and go to the index. and this is where it shows the math.flow, right? I guess. Okay, so looking at the current scenario, I guess we need to actually stop our live stream in a few minutes, or few minutes. So before that, I would like to ask you all: do you have any questions, or like, have you got a basic idea of how you are going to win the battle snake, or how you are going to play the battle snake as you, like a coder, like you are a programmer, you're a game programmer, you are programming you are actually programming a a gamer right now, not a game, not a program, but you are programming a gamer. So all you need to do is make sure, like, you get the whole complete board's details on your screen, or as a data, and based on that data, like how your brain gives you the instruction of what you need to do next. Like, you should go up or down or left or right. These are the four instructions that you need to give to the BattleSnake server. So how many of you would like another follow-up live stream on the same BattleSnake? So this time I'll make sure every other thing is set up. But before that, any questions or anything? Awesome. Vansh has actually created an account right now, and for his enthusiasm, I really would like to do a giveaway for him. Is that okay, Karuna? Your your call. Okay, superb. Yes. So once you have been like too much interesting, and you have been putting a lot of comments. Thanks a lot. So you win a giveaway, and second giveaway is going to be like person with the best battle snake. Just put a comment here down there. So how people will be able to share battle snakes with us, Karuna?
So when you shall I share my screen once for showing it?
Yeah, sure. Go on.
Just a sec. So yeah, when you play this game, when you start playing it, you get to choose the snake here. Like, find a public battle snake. You can see it here. You need to type the name of the battle snake, whatever name you give it to it. You need the exact name. Like, if I type something like, see, you can see the names here directly
Okay, cool.
of the, like, so you need to choose it and then add it. If it's public, it will get added, and if it's not, so we need to make it public, and then you can start the game.
So in simple terms, create a battle snake that is public, and then
Yeah.
share the URL, or like, the public.
No, just the username, just the battle snake's name.
Okay. Can you do one thing? So create a new battle snake in the name Praveen versus Karuna, and then send your username, so that we will try to do one more session where we will let the battle snakes hit each other, battle each other, and then we can try to do something about it. Like, whoever wins, the next gift coupon will be yours. So Vansh has already won one, and the next will be yours. Okay, so I guess that was an interesting start for this battle snake thing. Yes, we are having a follow-up session. Thank you, Sonali, for asking that. And people who are watching here, please go ahead, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well. I hope this was really an interesting first session. So we are also doing this whole month-long gaming and hackathon month, so the month of May. And what we are going to do is like it's going to be like really crazy nowadays. I mean, like the whole scenario will be awesome, and we are going to bring in a lot of awesome guests. Tomorrow there is a Python based Discord bot fight, and then day after tomorrow we have a voice based Pac-Man, and finally we are also bringing an awesome person who is in the UK, who has been creating a lot of games, and he's using a web XR, and if you have a VR device, it's going to be really, really cool. So don't miss anything. Go ahead, hit the register button as a learner, and stay tuned. And awesome. So thank you all. Bye from me and Karuna, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So see you, stay safe, and yep. So bye.